Before buying a Bluetooth pedal page turner, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Many of these pedals may look similar on the surface, but their performance can vary widely when you're trying to play music hands-free. Product number 1: Donner Wireless Page Turner. Let's kick things off with the Donner Wireless Bluetooth Page Turner. Priced at $69.99, this pedal caught my eye with its promise of being lightweight and rechargeable. If you want a reliable pedal that works with multiple devices, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Donner pedal has a long battery life, boasting over 50 hours on a single charge. You won't find yourself scrambling for a charger mid-performance. Plus, it connects up to 30 feet away, giving you the freedom to move around while you play. With 5 buttons, it's not just about page turning. You can control music or scroll through lyrics too. It's compatible with most major music apps, which means it adapts to your setup effortlessly. Now, some people complained about the connection occasionally dropping. Here's the thing though, for most users, this isn't a deal breaker if you're within the connection range and keep the pedal charged. It's still a solid choice for many musicians. This is perfect for you if you're a multi-instrumentalist needing a versatile tool while performing. Skip this one if you only use it for one app and don't need the extra features. Given its price, it offers great bang for your buck. Now, if the Donner's occasional connection issues worry you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: PageFlip Firefly. Next up is the PageFlip Firefly Bluetooth Page Turner. At $99.95, this one stands out with illuminated pedals, perfect for dark venues. If you struggle to see your pedals during gigs, this might be the answer. The illuminated pedals are not just for show, they make it easy to find the right button in low light, which is crucial when you're focused on playing. It's also compatible with a wide range of devices and apps, making it a universal solution for musicians. The ability to program both pedals for specific actions means you can customize it exactly to your liking, whether for page turns or even mouse clicks. Plus, it can run for a year on just 2 AA batteries, so you won't be swapping them out regularly. However, some users noted that the pedals can feel a bit stiff initially. But honestly, once you get used to it, the sturdiness can actually feel reassuring during performances. This is great for you if you perform in varied lighting conditions and need a reliable, customizable solution. Skip this one if you prefer pedals that are ready to go right out of the box without any setup. It's a bit pricey but offers high functionality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love a rugged design. Product number 3: PageFlip Butterfly. Now let's look at the PageFlip Butterfly, priced at $84.99. This pedal is designed for silent operation, which is a big plus for performances. If you need something that won't distract your audience, this should be on your radar. What's neat about the Butterfly is its durable build and silent foot action. This pedal is perfect for musicians who need to turn pages without any noise. It's compatible with all major music apps and has 3 pedal modes for different setups. Switching between modes is intuitive, which means less time fumbling and more time playing. Plus, it runs on just 2 AA batteries for about a year, making it low maintenance. Some users mentioned that the pedal modes can be a bit confusing at first. But here's the thing, once you master it, the versatility pays off significantly, especially during live shows when you need reliability. This is perfect for you if you play in quiet environments or need a solid pedal for frequent gigs. Skip this one if you're looking for more than just basic page-turning features. For its price, it's a great deal for what it offers. Now, if you're looking for something with a longer range, the next product is definitely worth considering. Product number 4: AirTurn Duo500. Moving on to the AirTurn Duo500, priced at $109. This pedal offers a whopping 200+ feet of wireless range. If you need that distance for performances, this one is hard to ignore. With over 200 hours of use on a single battery charge, the Duo500 is built for long gigs. It's incredibly versatile, working with hundreds of apps for everything from page turning to teleprompting. The silent, tactile operation means you can use it in intimate settings without worrying about noise. The removable handheld remote is an added bonus, allowing for even more control. But some users find it a bit complicated to set up initially. I'll be real with you, the learning curve can be steep. But once you get everything configured, the performance is well worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you perform in larger venues or use multiple apps. Skip this if you want a simple plug-and-play option. It's an investment, but you get serious functionality for your money. Lastly, if you're on a budget but still need a reliable option, you'll want to hear about the next product. Product number 5, JOYO Wireless Page Turner. Finally, we have the JOYO Wireless Page Turner priced at just $33.99. If you're looking for an affordable yet effective pedal, this one is definitely worth checking out. The JOYO pedal offers 5 adjustable control modes, which means you can easily switch between different functions depending on your needs. Plus, it's compact and easily portable, making it a great option for musicians on the go. It's designed to work with most popular music apps, so you won't have compatibility issues either. However, some users have expressed concerns about its durability over time. Here's the thing though, if you're careful with it during gigs, it should serve you well without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner musician or just need a backup pedal. Skip this one if you require heavy-duty performance and durability. For the price, it's an incredible value. That wraps up our list of the top 5 Bluetooth pedal page turners. Each one offers unique features to cater to different needs, so you can find the perfect fit for your performance style. Product number 6, Best Pick. To recap, the Donner offers versatility. The Page Flip Firefly shines in low light. The Page Flip Butterfly is silent and rugged. The AirTurn Duo500 provides impressive range, and the JOYO is an unbeatable budget option. No matter which you choose, each pedal has something unique to offer for your musical journey.